50. And AP, there is a sequence which has how many terms total? 50 terms. Okay, next.
Of which third term is 12.
So third term is 12 and
And the last term is 106.
so last term is 106 are same. Total 50 terms are there. Okay, in an AP. Then the last term is directly A50. Yes, or so last term is A50 is equal to how much?
106.
106. Understood what I wrote here? There is a AP. We don't know how an AP is there. Okay, there is a sequence. There are some numbers going on. In which I know third number is how much? 12. And last number is 106. A3 is 12. Last number is 106. Total terms how many are there? 50 terms are there. So last term will be A50. Yes or no? And I should find what?
Find the 29th term.
So I should find A29 is equal to question mark. A29 is equal to question mark. So I should find A and D. If I find A and D, my work is over. Okay. Understood what I wrote here? Understood? So A3 means we write it as A plus 2D is equal to 12. Equation 1. Correct? And A50 means A plus 49D is equal to 106. Equation 2. Same sum as last one. Okay. So first this equation minus this equation. Subtraction. A plus 2D is equal to 12. A plus 49D is equal to 106. 106. Now if it is positive means I should convert it as negative. Negative means positive. Ulta. So plus will become minus, minus, minus. A minus A cancel. 0. 2D minus 49D minus 47D is equal to minus 106 and 96, 94. Minus 94. Minus minus cancel. Both sides. D is equal to 94 by 47. 47 1s are 47 2s are 94. So D is equal to, this is the value of D. You see, after getting D, I should put this value in first equation. Correct? I should put the value in first equation. So A plus 2D is equal to 12, in which D is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. A plus 2 of 2 is equal to 12. A plus 4 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 minus 4. A is equal to 8. Any doubts? I got my A, I got my D. After getting both, I should find A29. And A29 is equal to A plus 28D. A is how much? 8 plus 28. D is 2. 8 plus 28, 2 is 40, 56, 64 is the answer. Easy? Take it. Next one. Read next question.
If the third and the ninth terms of an AP at 4 and minus 8 respectively.
Say third term is 4 and ninth term, huh? Ninth term is
Ninth term of an AP at 4 and minus 8 respectively.
minus 8, huh?
Which term of this AP is 0?
So I should find there is a term in this AP, somewhere there is 0. I should tell them which term it is. Okay. Again same. So A3 means I can write as A plus 2D is equal to 4, equation 1. And A plus AD is equal to minus 8, equation 2. Correct? Again I will solve that. A plus 2D is equal to 4. A plus 8d is equal to minus 8. Minus become plus. A minus A cancel. 2d minus 8d minus 6d. 8 plus 4 12. 8 plus 4 12. D is equal to minus 12 by 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. D is equal to minus 2. How many got this? Very good. D is equal to minus 2. After getting D is equal to minus 2, I should put this value in first equation or second equation. Same thing. So A plus 2D is equal to 4. A plus 2 of D is minus 2 is equal to 4. A minus 4 is equal to 4. A is equal to 0. 8. Okay. A is equal to 4 plus 4, 8. A is equal to 8. After getting A and D, I should find there is a term An is equal to 0. Correct? In one equation, in one series, there is an AP. Think like this. There is an AP where terms are there. A3 is 4, A3 and A9. A9 is how much? Minus 8. This is A9. Somewhere there is 0. I don't know where it is. Somewhere there is 0. I should tell them which term that is. First term or second term, third term, fourth term. Yeah, term 0 itwa. That they are asking. Okay. So An is equal to 0 I will take. And I should find what? N I should find. Term N. So An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. I am finding N. An is 0. A is 8 plus N minus 1. D is minus 2. 8 I will send it this side. It will become minus 8 is equal to N minus 1 of minus 2. Minus minus I will cancel. This whole equation is minus. This whole equation is minus. 8 by 2 is equal to N minus 1. 2 ones are 2 fours are. N is equal to 4 plus 1 5. So fifth term A5 was how much? Therefore A5 was equal to 0. Understood? So this 0 was 8.5 fifth term. Some? Any doubts? Take it. ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇಡೋದು ಹಿಂದೆ ಕುಂತು ಬಿಡು ಪಟ್ಟಣ Next one, read. 10th one?
The 17th.
Alala, 10th one. 10th. Read.
The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common elements.
See here, 17th term. Record agate. On agila. Agate. On it. So 17th term of an AP exceeds the 10th term. It's a 10th term by
7.
So 17th term, I will write one basic equation, okay? 17th term exceeds its 10th term by 7. Is this equation correct? Getting? 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7, or Praveen exceeds, I don't know his name, okay, marks are student. Praveen will exceed his marks by 7 marks. Getting, you 10 marks ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ? 3 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ. Getting or no? So like that it is a sum. So only I did A17 minus A10 is equal to 7. 17th term is exceeding the 10th term by 7. This is the equation. Perfect. Now A17, how I can write A17? A17 I can write as A plus 16D. Yes? Correct? And A10 I can write as A plus 9D. Again same. So A17 I will write as A plus 16D minus A10 A plus 9D is equal to 7. Any doubts how I wrote this equation? Okay. So A plus 16D minus A minus 9D is equal to 7. Minus plus cancel. 16D minus 9D, 7D. Okay, 7D is equal to 7. 7, 7 cancel. D is equal to 1. They've told me to find common difference. This is the answer. Any doubts? 17th term of an AP exceeds the 10th term by 7. If you understand this equation, you can solve this most easy. 1 mark question. Take it. Okay, next one. Read. 11th one. Now stop writing. When she is reading the question, you also should read that. Okay, then only you will understand. Read.
Each term of the each term of the AP, B, 15, 27, and so on will be 132 more
315.
3, 15, 27, 39, and so on will be 132 more than its 64th term.
So we don't know how much is 54th term. This is the AP. Okay. First I will find 54th term. There is a term 54th term. Okay, let's take 54th term is 200. A54 is equal to 200. Let's think like this. Okay. There is a term which we don't know. Okay, A question mark. I don't know that term. That is 132 more than A54 means. That means 200 plus 132, 332. There is a term which I don't know. It might be A40, A42, A43, A1, A2, A3. That term is 132 more than 54th term. So my first work is to find what? A54. How much A54 is there? So that's some understood? Like this. When I solve the question, you will understand. Okay. So first I will find A54. So to find A54, I need AD, correct? So A is given. A is what here? Solution. A is equal to 3. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3, 12. D is 12. A is 3. Now A54 is equal to A plus 53. D. A is 3 plus 53 of D. 3 plus 53 into 12. Be quick. बराबर हमारे 53 into 12, 636. Correct. 636 plus 3, 639 is A54. Any doubts here? Now I understood A54 is 639. Okay. So A54 is 639. What I should find next? 132 more than. There is a term. I don't know what is that term. An. That term. Okay. An is more than 50. 132 more than 54. term. Okay, so A54 is how much? 639 plus 132. Do this. 639 plus 132. 700, 739, 741, 771, 771. Now see here, till now what I did I will tell you. Okay, I understood A54 is 639 and they have told me there is some term. I don't know what is that term. That is 132 more than 54 term. So I understood that A is how much now? 771. But still I don't know which term it is. N is equal to my question mark. I have not got that n, which term it is. I know that value now. 771 8th pada. But I don't know what is that term. So to find a term again I will go with the same method. A is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A n is 771. The term value is 771 is equal to A is how much? A is 3 plus I am finding n as it is. D is D is 12. 3 I will send it here. 771 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 of 12. 771 minus 3, 760, 68 is equal to n minus 1 whole divided by 12. 12 I will send it here, denominator. 12 ones are, I hope so it will go. 12 5s are 60, 12 6 are 72. Okay, 12 6 are 72, 48, 12 4s are 48. So 64, n minus 1 is equal to 64, n is equal to 65. Now let's try to understand the sum. 65th term, so A65, the 65th term was definitely more than A54 plus 132. This was the solution. This term in the 65th term that was 132 more than 54 term. Understood how I did it? Now this is the AP. Okay. 54 term kinta one. Okay. 132 more than its 54 term. There is a term. Okay, which has a value 132 more than its 54 term. So A is equal to 3, D is equal to 12. First I found out A54. How much was A54? After finding A54, that was my answer. Plus 132 add ಮಾಡೋದು. Plus 132 add ಮಾಡಿದೆ. I understood that value it holds is 771. Okay, if you want, you can do 771 minus 132. If I do, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 639 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. 9 ಬಂತು, 639. Correct? So A 65th term is 771. A65 term is 771. This is 132 more than what? A54 term. A54 term ಗೆ 132 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ A65 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. That is what the meaning is. Understood? Okay. ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ತಿಳಿತೈತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು. Take it. Any doubts in any step? Story is the most important thing. Take it. Class any doubts? Read next one. Now read the question carefully, everybody. Okay, read.
Two ladies had the the same common difference.
See here, there are two AP this time. First AP, second AP. E type ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, correct ನೋಡ್ಕೋರಿ, okay? Now till now we have solved only one AP. There was only one sequence. Okay, for this sum he has told us there are two APs. Okay, so first term I will consider this as A1. First term I will consider this as A1. Further I will take it continue. Okay, this is the first AP. Second AP, if I take A1 here, again I will get confused. So I will take first term as A2 here. Here first term is what? A1. Here first term is A2. Under its value barrier 100 is 200 is. We don't know the value. But this I am calling it as A1, this I am calling it as A2. And so on. Now read.
The difference between their 100 term is 100.
See, the difference between the 100 term, that means somewhere first AP is 100th term, first AP is 100th term, and the second AP is 100th term. The difference between the first AP minus second AP, first AP is 100th term minus second AP is 100th term is how much they are saying? 100. Basic, easy to understand. The difference between the, read that once again.
The difference between their 100th term is 100.
Correct? So the difference between the first AP is 100 term and second AP is 100 term is 100. Now how can I write this in equation? So first let's think about this 100 term. This will be, okay, here only I will write A100 will be equal to, in the first AP, okay, this is first AP, A100 will be equal to A1 plus 99D. Correct? A plus 100 minus 1 into D, A1 plus 99D. So here A100 will be what? Can anybody tell me? A2 plus 99D. A2 plus 99D. This was the difference I wanted. Equation 2, equation 1. Understood what I wrote here? And the difference between their 100 term is 100. So first AP is 100 term is A1 plus 99D, and second AP is 100 term is A2 plus 99D. Any doubts? Is equal to what? 100. Is equal to 100. A1 plus 99D minus A2 minus 99D is equal to 100. 99D cancel. Plus minus. A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. Any doubts what I did here? Any doubts? Now further read the question.
What is the difference between their 1000?
So difference between the 100 term was 100 is said. Now he is asking me what is the difference between, if I still go further to 1000 term. So this 1000 term minus this 1000 term, if I do, what is their difference he is asking. Clear the question? Understood? So I should tell him the difference between 1000, first AP is 1000th term minus second AP is 1000th term is equal to what he is asking. Is equal to what? So first AP is 1000 term. Can anybody tell me what is the value? How I should write that in this format? A1 plus 999D will come. Yes or no? I will write it here. Okay, now we are doing 1000 term. First AP is 1000 term will be A1 plus 1000 minus 1D, that is A1 plus 999D. This is the first AP's term. Second AP A2 plus 1000 minus 1D, A2 plus 999D. This is the answer of second AP. Correct? So A1 plus 999D minus A2 plus 999D is equal to, I don't know what is the answer. Easy. Now I will simplify it. A1 plus 999D minus A2 minus 999D is equal to question mark. Plus 999D minus 999D cancel. What is meaning? A1 minus A2. And we know if I subtract first term and second term, A1 minus A2, first term minus second term, what is the answer? 100. So here also what is the answer? 100. The difference between the first term and the second term is constant 100. And here if you go further, 50th term minus this 50th term will also be 100. 60th term minus this 60th term will also be 100. That is how the sum is there. Read sum. Understood? Take it. So I took this answer from here. But Elin Manpan care better. Elin the answer equate again. Take it. Completed. Okay, read next one.
How many 3-digit numbers are
How many 3-digit numbers
divisible by 7? Are divisible by 7.
is a question mark. Now 3-digit number means what? One example. Can you give any example? 3-digit number. 121. 3-digit number. 999. Getting or 222, 333. These are 3-digit numbers. So how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7 is asking. So which is the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 7? After 99 is 100 divisible by 7? Is 101 divisible by 7? No. 102, 103, 104, 105. 105 is divisible by 7. This is the first 3-digit number that is divisible by 7. Howla? ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 7 1 7 35 ಬರ್ತದೆ 7 5 35 7 into 15 is 105. Getting or after 105 what will come? 112, 119 and so on. Okay. And what is the last 3-digit number? Is 999 divisible by 7? Do and sub. 999 divided by 7 madri. Tell me whether it is divisible or not. Be quick. Tell me which is the last 3-digit number. 995, 996, 997, 998, 999, 994. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲೇ 7 ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳಿ. $998. Try 994. 994. 994 divided by 7. 7 ones are 29. 7 4s are 28. 14. 7 2s 142. 7 into 142 is 994. So 994 is the last term of this AP. Now out of this question I made AP. Understood what I did here? Out of this question I made one AP for myself. Now once again you read the question. Here only it is said. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So what I should find here? Number of terms I should find. How many terms are there? Yes, terms of getting or so terms I am finding. So n is equal to question mark here. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? N is equal to question mark. A is equal to 105. B is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 112 minus 105, that is definitely 7. Okay, D is equal to 7, A is equal to 105, AN also I know. AN is 994. So finding N is very, very easy for me. I know all the aspects, okay? So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 994 is equal to A is 105 plus N minus 1 into D is 7. 994 minus 105 is equal to N minus 1 into 7. 994, 989, 889, correct? 889 divided by 7 is equal to N minus 1. 7 1s are 18, 2s are 14, 49, 7s are 127 is equal to N minus 1. N is equal to 128. 128. So how many terms are there here? Total 128 terms are there. So if I divide 3-digit numbers from by taking 7, total how many terms I will get? 128 are there. You try in home 6 divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತಪ್ಪ? homework 2 ಲೇಬೇಕು ನಾನು, ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 ಲೇಬೇಕು. If I take 3-digit numbers, if I start dividing by 2, how many total 2-digit ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವಪ್ಪ? ತಿಳಿದಿದ್ದು 6 ಇಂದು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, 3 ಇಂದು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ರಿ. 2, 3 and 6, that is your homework. Same ತಿಳಿತಿಲ್ಲ, AP find ಮಾಡ್ರಿ and then find how many terms are there. Separately of 2, separately of 3 and separately of 6. Okay, take it. Any doubts? Next, the same type of question. Read the question.
How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250?
How many multiples
Of 4
of 4 lie between
10 and 50.
10 and 250? So there is first 10, okay, and last is 250. In between them, here is the AP. Don't consider 10 and 250. Okay, in between them is the AP. How many multiples of 4? So multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, so on. That is the multiples of 4. Like that, after 10, I should start. So what is the first multiple after 10? 12. 4 multiple is 12, 16, 20, so on. Before 250, what might be the answer? 259, 249 is it correct? 248, try. ಬರ್ತೈತಿ 4 1s 4 6 24, 4 2s 8. Okay, 248 is the last term. This is my AP. Okay, once again I will write separately. AP is equal to 12, 16, 20, so on till 248. Now I should tell them how many multiples. That means n is equal to question mark. How many terms are there here? Can I sit and tell 1, 2, 3, 4 in mark bರ್ತೈತೆ till 248? It will take too much time. So directly by one formula I can, if I apply, I will get how many terms are there. N I don't know. A is equal to 12. N is equal to 248. D is equal to 4. Directly I wrote. Okay. Mathematics arc. Okay. So N is equal to sorry, 2D. ಇದು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಅದ್ರಾಗ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ 248 minus 12 is equal to n minus 1 4. N minus 1 is equal to 248 minus 12 246, 236 by 4. Directly added 4 1s are 4, 16, 4 5s are 20, 36, 9s are. N is equal to 60. N is equal to 60. So there are how many terms here total? Multiples of 4 are 60. There is some. Any doubts? Today I'll stop here. Okay. So you find me the multiples of 3 and 9. Enough. 3 and 9. How many multiples of 3 terms are there in from 10 to 250 and same 9? 10 to 250. How many multiples are there? That's the homework. Okay.
Value of n and the n term of two APs 63, 65,
See here, there are two APs. This is first AP.
60,
Okay, 1 second. And there is second AP. There are two APs. First AP
63,
63,
65,
65,
67,
67,
so on. Second AP 3, 10, 17
17.
equal.
Another question was
For what value of n
Huh.
and the nth term of two APs 63, 65, 67 and so on and 3, 10, 17 equal.
so for what value of n? If I go further like this and if I go further like this, they are saying there is some value which is same. There is one term. Okay, think this is 100 term. 100 term of this AP and 100 term of this AP holds the same value. Think this is 20, 20. They both hold the same value. So which term it is they are asking? They are not asking the value, what it holds. They are asking me the term. So what I should find here? Term means what? Term refers to n. I should find n. Understood? There is a first AP, there is second AP. Somewhere further, both the APs have same value. I should tell which term it is. Getting the question? Okay. So to find first, this is the first AP. I will take an equation. So in first AP, solution A is equal to what here? 63. B is equal to A2 minus A1. That is 65 minus 63. 2. This is about first AP. Here I will write about second AP. A is equal to 3. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 10 minus 3. D is 7 here. This is first AP. This is about second AP. Any doubts? Okay. Now AN is the value I don't know. This is the last term. Correct? I don't know what is that value. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here also same. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN I don't know. Okay, that's the last term. I don't know what is the value it holds, but I know A is what here? 63 plus N I am finding minus 1. D 2. Understood what I did here? Similarly here AN I don't know. A is what here? 3 plus N I am finding N minus 1. D is 7. Equation 2. Equation 1. Don't you think AN is same for both? Yes or no? Here also the number is 20, here also the number is 20. So if you go in sequence further, you will get the same value. So can I substitute this is equal to this? Yes or no? See, this is equal to 20, this is equal to 20. LHS is equal to RHS. Correct? So somewhere this is equated to this. So from equation 1 is equal to equation 2, this is the condition now. When both the equations are equal, AN is not useless. Okay, I will only take this 63 plus of N minus 1 into 2 is equal to 3 plus of N minus 1 into 7. Understood how I wrote this? Understood or no how it came? Okay, 63 plus N into 2, 2N minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 7N minus 7. Okay, next 63 minus 2, 61 plus 2N, 3 minus 7 minus 4, 7N minus 4. 7N minus 4. 7N I will keep it here, 2N I will send it here. 7N minus 2N is equal to 61 plus 4. Minus 4 came this side, 2N went that side. 7n minus 2n 5n is equal to 65. N is equal to 65 by 5. 5 ones are 1, 3. N is equal to 13. So if I go further like this was which term? This was 13th term. Correct? Here also 13th term. So 13th term holds the same value. I don't know that value. This is approximately 20 arrow, but it holds the same value. Understood? This is the way. Now you understood this one. This will trick change ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ example. That's what happening in state and CBSE. This is the method that you should go. You should know the method. Okay? ಅದು ಇದನ್ನ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಚಕ್ರವ್ಯೂಹ 7 ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಯಾರು ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. That is the design. Okay? So understand the methods. Easy? Any doubts? Arjuna Bolu. So see here, first AP, second AP, 2 APs are given. Somewhere further they both have same value. Okay? And I should tell that what is the term that holds same value. What is the term? Okay? So first I wrote about the first AP. This is what I knew. I found AD. Similarly here AD I found, and I made one equation out of AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is equal to same here also, here also. Both will hold the same value, 20, 20. So AN is equal to A is 63, D is 2, N keep it as it is because we are finding that only. Here also same. Then I equated this equation and this equation. When I equate both of them, I will get N. Okay, take. Any doubts in any step? Yada step ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ? Take. Completed? Read next one.
Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12.
And seventh term?
Seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12.
This type of question is 10th sum. We have done before. Exceeds 10th sum you read. Everybody read 10th sum. Correct? We have done 10th sum you read. Same sum. Okay, ditto. So 7th term of the AP exceeds the 5th term by 12. This is the equation. A7 minus A5 is equal to 12. Understood how I wrote? And here he is giving me one hint. Direct third term. A3 is how much? A3 is 16. Directly he said. So A7 how I can write as A plus 60. Correct? Similarly, A5 I can write as A plus 4D. Okay. So this is my equation. A7 means A plus 6D minus A plus 4D is equal to 12. A plus 60 minus A minus 4D is equal to 12. A minus A cancel. 60 minus 4D, 2D is equal to 12. D is equal to 6. Any doubts? How I did? Same type of sum. Okay, after getting D, now I should find A. How to find A? Any idea? New idea. How to find A now? Where I should put A? To D to find A. Okay, A3 is given here. A3 is 16. A3 is 16. Adhika kotaru. A3 means what? A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 16. If I put here, will I get value? Will I get? If I put D here, nange sikthe. Can I get A? I don't know A7. I can't find A. If I put here, can I find A? The only way is trying to put here. Correct? So A plus 2D is equal to 16. A just now I found. Sorry, D just now I found. D is how much? 6 is equal to 16. A plus 12 is equal to 16. A is equal to 4. 16 minus 12, 4. 16 minus 12, 4. Understood or no? How I did? So only he gave A3. That was the use of A3. Read the question once again. 16th one.
Determine the AB whose third term is 16.
Correct. Whose third term is 16. Why did he give that? So that I can put that d value here. In ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. So first I found out d. Next, if I implement there, I will get a. Now I have a, I have d. Now I should write next 3 terms. Okay. So next 3 terms, how I can write? First 3 terms are. First one will be a plus d, a plus 2d. Yes or no? First 3 terms. A is 4 plus 6, 4 plus 2 of 6, 4, 10, 6 2s are 12, 14, 16. This is the answer. This is the AP. Easy. Any doubts? Take. Correct. Great. Next question. 17.
Find the 20th term. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AB. 3, 8, 13, so on to 50.
Over. So find the 20th term from the last we are saying. Till now, stop writing here. Till now we were finding like this. First term, second term, third term. Correct? Like this 20 we are going. Now he is saying me to find from last. I should go like this. From last 20. So I will make it reverse first. First term is 253 now. New AP. First term is 253. Second I don't know. Further it goes like 13, 8, 3. This is how it is going. Yes or no? Correct? Understood or no what I did here? Correct. Okay. So I should find what here? 820 I should find. So what is my A here? A is 253. Okay. D is equal to A2 minus A1. Since I don't know my A2, I will consider this as A1, A2. A2 is 8 minus 13 minus 5. Understood or no? We can take this minus this or this minus this. Same answer we get. D. Okay. So I got my D. I have my A. I should find A20. A20 is equal to A plus 19 D. A is 253 plus 19 of D is how much? Minus 5. 253 minus 19 5 is 19 5 is मार पड़ा पड़ा. $95. 253 minus 95. 253 minus 100. 153. 153 minus 5. 148. Check. 148. 158. Hindu then. 158. Okay. Correct. Pakala. 253. 153. 158. Correct. Any doubts? Take it. Okay, read next. 18. 18. Okay, read.
The sum of the 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24, and the sum of the 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP.
Directly I wrote in equation format. The sum of 4th and 8th term is equal to 24. The sum of 6th and 10th term is equal to 44. Understood or? 4th term, one AP if I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4th term plus 8th term. If you add, you will get how much they are saying? 24. Like that. Similarly, 6th term plus 10th term, if you add, you will get 44. Correct, Aru? Equation? And I should find first 3 terms of the AP, A plus D, A plus 2D. So I should find basically A and D. My work is over. So A4, how I can write as A plus 3D plus A8, A plus 7D is equal to 24. Itself ತಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದೇನೆ A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. Okay. Now A plus A 2A. A plus A 2A. 3D plus 7D is equal to equation 1. Easy? Understood or no? Out of that question only I wrote this. Na ellu ಹೊರಗಿಂದ ಏನು ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ. Whatever question is there, if you understand that properly, there only answer is there. Next, A6 means A plus 5D plus A10 A plus 9D is equal to 44. A plus A 2A plus 9 14D is equal to 44. Equation 2. Now, ಮೊದಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ subtraction, okay? Equation 1 minus equation 2. 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. Correct? Then change the signs. Minus, minus, minus. Plus is there means it will become minus. If it is minus, it will become plus. Ulta. 2A minus 2A gone. 10D minus 14D minus 4D is equal to 24 minus 44 minus 20. 24 minus 44 minus 20. Minus minus cancel. 4D is equal to 20. D is equal to 20 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 5 sir. D is equal to 5. This is the answer. Understood or no? Now I can take this answer D and put it in equation 1. Understood or no? Because I can easily find A. So 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. This was equation 1. 2A plus 10 of D means 5. D means 5 is equal to 24. 2A plus 50 is equal to 24. 2A is equal to 24 minus 50. 2A is equal to minus 26. A is equal to minus 13. A is equal to minus 13. Now what I am doing somewhere, without seeing, you should try to do this. ಇನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ದೆಪ್ಪ ಇದಂಗೆ ಹಂಗ ಸುಮ್ಮ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನು ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸೇ ಅಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್. ನಾ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗಿಂದ ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಲಾರ್ದಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಹಂಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ. ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್? Normal method it's going. Now I have A, I have D. I should write first 3 terms. First 3 terms are A plus D, A plus 2D. A is minus 13 plus 5. D is 5. Okay. Minus 13 plus 2 of 5. Minus 13 minus 8. Minus 13 plus 10 minus 3. These are the first equations. Any doubt? Once again, see here. 4th term plus 8th term is equal to 24. 6th term plus 10th term is equal to 44. Find first 3 terms. That was the question. So A4 means A plus 3D, A8 means A plus 7D is equal to 24. Out of that only I made this equation. Similarly, A6 means A plus 5D, A10 means A plus 9D. I made this equation. Then equate them. Equate madmele 2A 2A cancel. Definitely it will happen. You will get D. After getting D, put that in equation 1 or equation 2. Wherever you put, same answer will get. Then you will get A. After getting A and D, you write the 3 terms. Any doubt? Take it. This is Garam. Pencil ಬರಿ ಬೇಡ ಪೆನ್ಲೆ ಬರಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಬರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಾಕಿ ಜಾಗ ಹಾಂ ಅದ್ರ ಪೆನ್ ಚಲೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಬಿಡಂಗ daily at least whatever I do here 30 to 45 minutes go home see whatever I did day to day cover it today if I do 7 sums you should also go home without saying do same 7 sums without saying what you do is that most important ನಾ ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ದೆಪ್ಪ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಡೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ತಾಸು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಡೂ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಓಕೆ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ Next. Read.
Subha Rao started working in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 every year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000?
So Subha Rao started working from where? 1995. He started working from 1995. So 1995 salary was how much? 5,000 rupees. After every month they started incrementing, okay, of 200 rupees. So first month 5,000, second month 5,200, third month 5,400. Constantly it is increasing. Getting or not? So it forms an AP. When at which year his income will be 7,000? They're asking. Understood question? Okay. Understood or no? So what I should find? I should find the n, year, n, term, which year. So A is 5,000. D we know direct level rate 200. Every year 200 is increasing. AN also I know. AN is 7,000. At last his salary will be how much? 7,000. When will his salary be 7,000? That I am finding. So I am finding n. N is equal to question mark here. All aspects are covered. Most easiest sum. So n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Note one the formula, we did 20 sums. Only one formula. That much easy it is. So n is 7,000 is equal to a is 5,000 plus n minus 1 into d is 200. 5,000 if I send it here, it is 2,000 is equal to n minus 1 into 200. 200 I will send it here. 2,000 by 200 is equal to n minus 1. 200 ones are 200, 10s are. N is equal to minus 1 if it goes here, plus 1, 11. So from the first year, his salary was 5,000. On the 11th year, his salary was how much? 7,000 rupees. Month or year? Year. Okay. So at 11th year, his salary is 7,000. So 1995 plus 11. 1995 started working plus 11. 1966. 1955. Okay. When did he started working? He started working at 1995. Yeah? 1995 plus 11. 2000. 2006. So at 2006 his salary was 7,000. Read some. Any doubts? Take it. Read. Ramkali.
It saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly salary by rupees 1.75.
See here, first week. In the first week, she had how much rupees? He or she, I am not getting 5 rupees. First week 5. Initially 5. Afterwards, after every week, he started adding how much? 1.75. Correct? So 6 plus 5 plus 1.75, 6.75. He's adding how much? 1.75 every week. First week 5 rupees, next week 1.75, next week 1.75 is adding. So second week is 6.75. Further I don't know. Further it will go till where? Till where?
20.75.
Till 20.75. So they are asking me at which week it will be 20.75. Understood question? Last sum same. N. Again I should find N. So A is equal to 5. D is equal to 1.75. AN is equal to 20.75. This is what he wants. He is asking us when will his saving be 20.75? At which week? Okay. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 20.75. A is 5 plus N minus 1 into D is 1.75. 20.75 minus 5 is equal to N minus 1 into 1.75. 20.75 minus 5, 15.75. 15.75 is equal to N minus 1. Now 1.75 I will send it here only by 1.75. Here also 2 decimals points, here also 2 decimals. So if you remove them, it can be written as directly 1575 by 175. Understood or no? What did you do? You have to same method. So if I remove both into 100 into 100, understood or no? Is equal to N minus 1. 175 ones are 175 nines are, if you do, you will get 1575. Do answer. Okay? 175 ones are 175 nines are 1575. So 9 is equal to N minus 1. N is equal to 10. This is the answer. How many got? Very good. Ready then? Easy? Take it. Today I will stop here. ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಓಕೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ any doubts ask